So we were talking about business model canvas. So this is the tool or the sheet that allows you to capture your initial understanding of your startup, and this is the most important tool for startups. Now, where can you get this? You can actually go to my website, amirqutub.com, AAMIRQUTUB.com. And once you go to my website, I think my internet is a bit slow here, but once you go to my website, you can go to the resources section over here, the resources section. And in the resources section, you would be able to download the business model canvas from there. So you can locate it over here. This is the business model canvas. You can click on it, enter your email, and you can download this business model canvas. And now I'm going to teach you how to actually fill in this business model canvas. So suppose you have a business idea. We'll take one business idea for example. And suppose that business idea is actually about a laundry pickup and delivery startup. So for example, if you have an idea that you would actually create like an Uber like service, uh, or Zomato like service, or Swiggy like service, but for laundry. So that's my example. So the very first question that you would need to ask about any startup before you start that startup is, what is the problem that you are going to solve? Uh, and in our case, the problem that we are going to solve is that probably people need laundry services, but there's no efficient way, or to get to a dry cleaner, it's very inconvenient to drop off and pick up laundries. And your solution probably is that you are going to develop an application where a person can just sort of request a laundry pickup. A van would come pick it up, drop it off to the local laundry provider. They will do all the dry cleaning and then sort of like return it back. So probably a model like this. So the way you start by filling the business model canvas is that you actually start by the value proposition itself. So what exactly is value proposition? Value proposition is the value that you are going to provide to your customers. What is the benefit or the advantage that you are going to provide to your customer through your product? So for example, if your app is a laundry app, so if I actually in here I just put it let's say, just say, so if we are designing it for our laundry app, you need to think about what is the value that you are providing to your customers. And probably the value that you are providing to your customers over here is as simple as maybe convenience, because they don't have to uh, pick up the laundry, and then they don't have to drop off the laundry, and they like, if they need clothes to be ironed, they could do it. So convenience is probably one of the value proposition that you are providing. The second thing that you are providing is probably uh, like a quick service, then actually finding a dry cleaner person and getting it done. So another value proposition is quick service. But you also need to think about what is the main pain point that you are solving for them. Like, what is that biggest challenge that you are actually solving for them? And probably the biggest challenge that you are solving for them is that right now uh, there is no proper way. They do not have a central place to ensure that their clothes are ironed and dry cleaned, uh, and washed, say ironed and folded, and it consumes a lot of time. So right now there's no service that does that. So the value proposition that you are providing is dry clean, washed, iron, and folded on a press of a button, or on a press of a, like, just an, I'll just say press of a button in the application. All they have to do is just press a button, and then uh, you would go there, and your van would go there, pick up the clothes, and sort of take it from there.